Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. So I'm going to be using settings for this as an example. And once it's open and visible on the screen, meaning the content that you wish to capture, what you want to do is press power key and volume down, both of those keys at the same time. You'll get this animation. If you're doing this for the first time, it gives you a quick guide so you can tap to make a screenshot. Basically, as you can see, scrollable will capture this entire page that is already visible and then start scrolling it down to make it longer. And then we also have the option to send or otherwise share this. So let's just go with the scroll option. As you can see, it will start automatically scrolling. You can tap on it to stop it yourself and then also scroll down yourself however far down you want. Once you're satisfied with whatever is selected, click on done. We'll start processing and you can choose save to save screenshot. Now additionally, there's also a 3-finger swipe down to capture a screenshot, as you just seen me do, which can be used anywhere. So just 3 fingers swipe down, and in my opinion it's a little bit easier to use and quicker than the power key and volume down. So once you have captured your screenshot, you can find those screenshots in your photo gallery, or as it's called here, gallery. And let's go to the album section where you'll find screenshots folder, and in here you should find all your screenshots. And there we go. So that is how you could capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.